Oh. I guess these the trails. Never been back here for. Cannot go faster here, but so this like mountain bike trails. It's pretty fun. I'm about to come out here with a mountain bike. I want to get an electric bike, a mountain bike. No, not the ones that got like big wheels and they say mountain bike. No, not those. It's some other ones. It's like some other mountain bikes. What's it called again? Oh, I messed that up. It's like a little bit of trails on this. Yeah, I want to get electric dirt. Oh man, I said dirt bike. I mean a trail. I mean mountain bike. Damn. Why I put this on? Oh, that's why, bro. Hey, that was kind of fun. That's all you could go? Guess so. Quiet water park, mountain trails. Oh, you could go that way. It's a mountain bike right there. Dude, I don't know if that's open though. I don't know. Imagine this at nighttime though. Ooh. All these. There's a lot of tree stumps. All the mountain bike people looking at me. They probably saying, what the heck he came from? Gotta put this gear up. Hey, that was kind of fun. I think it'd be more better if it was nighttime or raining. If I actually did have a mountain bike. This bike close enough, I guess. I guess this bike can, what's it called again? It can go on like trails like that, I guess. Not like big trails, but trails like that, yeah, this bike could definitely go. Whoever has a Heybike, that could go on these little trails. Yeah, so it can go on them little trails if you guys want to try it out for yourself. I won't recommend trying out the bike on big trails though, like big rocks going down and stuff. But like little trails like that, yeah, you can actually. It's like basically like a mountain bike. I just went down everything. I was just doing it wrong because I was going too fast, but yeah, if you guys want to try it out, it's pretty good. It's not bad at all.